Hi! One of the common questions that haunts the minds of online entrepreneurs who want to use YouTube as their marketing channel is, can I make a sales pitch in my content-based video? Will my audience not get annoyed when I make a pitch when the primary purpose of them coming to my video is to learn something? If I do make a product pitch, when should I do so in my videos, etc.? In this video, I'll answer all those questions based on my personal experience in Presentation Process YouTube channel. Sounds interesting? Then keep watching. I'm Ramgopal from ArteRamgopal.com. We help you build your audience on YouTube and monetize your expertise. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. One of the common pieces of advice that most internet marketing gurus give you is, keep your content pieces separate from your pitch pieces. That is, don't ever pitch your product while you are teaching someone something in your YouTube videos. At the face of it, it looks like a rule that you cannot ever break. But in my Presentation Process YouTube channel, I totally go against it and pitch my product in every single video. Let me give you a context. Aarti and I, who are partners in business and life, run a channel called Presentation Process. In that channel, I teach PowerPoint tutorials. We also have PowerPoint related products like PowerPoint templates and courses. The channel has more than 230,000 subscribers and more than 700 videos posted about PowerPoint tutorials. Here is what I do in every one of those videos. First, I pick up a graphic or an animation to teach my audience. I go step by step showing them how to create that graphic or animation. I don't hold anything back. I teach every single step. And at the end of the video, I say, if you are a busy professional who doesn't have the time to create these elaborate graphics and animation, you can buy them off the shelf from our Presentation Process site. Then for the next 1 minute in the same video, I showcase different templates from our PowerPoint templates pack. Then I say, if you want to buy this pack, you can click on the link in the description box below the video. Now, this strategy has worked wonderfully well for us for the past 9 years. Now, the natural question you have in your mind is, does this pitching not annoy your audience? The answer is absolutely not. You can always go to our Presentation Process YouTube channel and watch any of our videos and see the comments underneath. You will see how happy our viewers are from those comments, and there is not a single person who has ever complained that we pitch our products at the end of our tutorials. Now, I'd like to think there are a few critical reasons why this strategy works so well for us. First, I provide genuine value in every one of my videos. So I always give before I ask. It is not a pitch fest. Second, I make the pitch only at the end of the video. So those who came just to learn the PowerPoint tutorials can learn the tutorials and skip the portion where I make the pitch. This clear segregation of the teaching portion and the pitching portion of the video allows the viewers who skipped the pitch to still get genuine value from the video and share it with others. Third, this pitching genuinely helps those people who want a more efficient way of creating their graphics and animation by just buying our products off the shelf. So I sincerely see my products as a help rather than a hindrance to my audience. Fourth, those who see our videos for the first time invariably watch the entire video. They see how good we are with PowerPoint. They develop trust in us. So if ever they want to learn PowerPoint and improve their skills, they choose our courses. Fifth and the most important strategy we adopt is we do ad retargeting to all those who watched our videos. So we ensure that everyone who has watched our videos knows about our PowerPoint templates and courses. The thing is, this strategy has worked well for us, but I cannot guarantee that it will work well for you. But you will never know until you try. So don't take any of the gospels from internet marketing gurus as the final rule. Always keep trying different strategies and monitor the results. Keep those strategies that work for you and reject the rest. Remember, no one knows about your business more than you. So it is your responsibility to try different things and keep the ones that work. By the way, what is your opinion about making a pitch in content-based videos? Do you do it? Were you successful with it? Please share your experiences in the comment section below. So, did you like the tip? If you did, then please give this video a like, share it with your friends and hit the subscribe button to encourage us to create more such videos. In the meantime, watch these other videos in our channel and encourage us. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.